Exploring the chimney crown in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a rather specific but interesting phrase in English, chimney crown. If you're ready to expand your vocabulary and learn about this term, then you're in the right place. The chimney crown is a crucial part of a chimney structure. It's the top element of a chimney that covers and seals the top of the chimney from the flue liner to the chimney edge. Typically made from concrete or metal, its purpose is to prevent water from seeping into the chimney, which can cause damage. It's much like a crown that sits on top of a king's head, hence the name. Why should we care about the chimney crown? Well, without a proper chimney crown, your chimney is vulnerable to water penetration, which can lead to costly damages like cracked flue tiles and even collapse. It's an essential term for anyone dealing with construction, home maintenance, or just wanting to understand every part of a house. When you come across the phrase, chimney crown, in conversation or writing, it's usually in the context of home construction or repair. However, it can also be used metaphorically to refer to the topmost or most important part of a system or organization. I hope this explanation has cleared the smoke around the term chimney crown and added a new structure to your vocabulary building. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure. Goodbye for now.